Goodbye. Wave to him. Bye now.
Good evening. How honor da do? Bless up, ma'am. Gladdy honor come ya. Make sure you stir that gravy good now here. Yes, ma'am, I got it. Come in, chillun. Come for eat.
All right, children, come on in now. Let's wash up before we eat.
I'm so hungry.
Me too.
I want grits and gravy.
I want shrimp, gravy, and red rice.
I want shrimp, red rice, and gravy.
Honor Gwyn eat everything then.
Why do we eat rice all the time?
It's the taste of who we are, sweet pea.
It's the sustenance of our people.
I thought we Gullah Geechee queen said it is a cash crop.
Right?
Our ancestors were also sold for cash and was called black gold.
Our rice is Carolina gold. Gold is rich.
Georgetown County, SC, grew the most rice of all the counties of the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Wow. Can we grow red rice too, please?
No, I can cook honor some do.
Tanky. How do you know so much about rice?
My daddy and granddaddy grew it, and I had to fan it.
Fan it? It was hot in the field before the pot?
No, the Bukra say winnowing, and we say fanning. Remember we Gullah Geechee queen had a mortar and pestle at your school, any?
Yes, ma'am. She put the rice in a sweetgrass basket.
Okay, then. That is a fanner basket.
Oh. Can we get some hot red rice now, please?
Okay, gal. You know in Africa they say jollof rice.
Whatever name they call
Just
it.
call me for a plate of it.